Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a keyboard text replacement shortcut in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Then click on keyboard and here click on text replacement. Now to add a new text replacement, click on this add icon and then add the phrase. And then add the shortcut of this phrase you want to use. And after that click on save. And now when you are using your keyboard and you write the shortcut, it will show the phrase here. So just write the shortcut and it will show the whole phrase, and just simply tap on it to write the whole phrase. So that's how you can add a text replacement shortcut in iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.